Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to reset your TP-Link RE330 Wi-Fi extender to its factory settings. Whether you're troubleshooting connectivity issues or preparing to reconfigure your extender, this quick reset process will help you start fresh. We'll show you how to locate the reset button, press it correctly, and ensure your extender is ready for a new setup. Watch the full tutorial to get your TP-Link RE330 back up and running smoothly. Firstly, we will discuss why is it necessary to reset the TP-Link RE330 extender. Resetting the TP-Link RE330 Wi-Fi extender is necessary when experiencing persistent connectivity issues, or when you've forgotten the login details and need to restore it to default settings. It can also help if the extender's settings are misconfigured or if you're moving it to a new network. A reset clears any previous configurations, providing a fresh start. So let's start the process. First of all, ensure the extender is plugged into a working power outlet and turned on. The LED lights should be lit, indicating that it's operational. On the TP-Link RE330, the reset button is usually found in a small pinhole on the side or bottom. You'll need a pointed object like a paperclip or pin to press it. Using the pin, press and hold the reset button for about 8 to 10 seconds. You'll know the reset process is initiated when the LEDs on the extender start to blink, signaling that the device is rebooting. Once the reset is triggered, the extender will take a few minutes to reboot and return to its factory settings. During this process, the LEDs will stop blinking and stabilize as the device returns to its default state. Note, once the TP-Link RE330 Wi-Fi extender has finished rebooting, it will be restored to its factory default settings. You will need to reconfigure it by following the initial setup process, either through the web interface or the setup provided by TP-Link Tether app. Now reset process is successfully complete. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.